Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Do you want to limit the comment length in WordPress? You might see spammers doing lots and lots of comments with very long form of text into your comment box of your website, and you might want to restrict it that only 200 characters are allowed or only these many characters are allowed. So if you want to do that, then there is a way to do it, and in this video you're going to learn how to limit the comment length in WordPress. So in your WordPress dashboard, hover onto Appearance and then click on Theme Editor. Now on the right hand side you can see the functions.php file. So let's click on this theme functions file. Now scroll down and here you have to add a small piece of code at the end of this file. Before entering this code, make sure you have a recent backup of your website so that if anything goes wrong, you can always restore it later. Now, I'm also adding this code in the description so you can get it from there. So once you have copied the code, you need to paste it at the end of this file. This code will generate this error. Comment is too short, please use at least 60 characters. Now this will be shown if the comment length is below 60 and comment length has been specified to be more than 60 characters but less than 5000. You can change these settings as well in the code, it's very easy to edit. And once you have done that, click on update file option. Now once this file is edited successfully, let's move to our website and then go to a post to check if it's working or not. Now here, when I scroll down to the comment section and I add a code which is lesser than 60 characters, it is showing me an error when I click on post comment. It says comment is too short, please use at least 60 characters. So this is how you can limit the comment length in WordPress. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers. These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.